Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bobier Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Broncos. Just got done sharing my heart with the students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program. And the focus today, we revisited the important topic of bullying, right? The sub-theme was look at the heart first. And, you know, obviously we've heard the word bullying over and over and over again, but it's something that's repeated on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, those 2 seconds like we spoke about today in the presentation, they can have the same impact on someone's heart, right? It can stay on their heart for the rest of their life in a positive way or in a negative way. And here at Bobier, they talk about for their assemblies, they talk about being safe, being responsible, being kind, being respectful. And if we can show that respect, and if we can show that kindness each and every day, not just to ourselves, but to those around us, we start to make this world a lot better place. And this means that we have to turn hurt people who hurt people, one of the biggest reasons I see why bullying occurs, into healed people who heal people. Kind of like one of the slides you see from the show today, the Band-Aid on the heart, that sometimes, you know, our words, our choices can either repair hearts, help fix them, or they can break them, right? We can really hurt someone else. And if we know that in just a couple seconds we have that ability to uplift or to tear down, hopefully we're going to choose the former, because this world needs a lot more love, a lot more compassion, a lot more empathy, a lot more kindness in general. So this means that we look at someone's heart first. Heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. And we also have to know that being true miracles, right, ourselves, is something that we really have to buy into, to be able to then go out and be the light to someone else's heart and help them see that as well. That's why I wear the shirt for this program. It says miracle on the front, and like the lines on all of our hands, which some of the students had theirs traced today too. We all have at least one in each hand, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. Once again, that we believe that, now we can go out and hopefully help others believe it too, right? To not just look at the heart first, but see ourselves and others for this as well. And again, it's so important that we start kind of living these life lessons at a young age, because the more that we start to kind of really hone in on these key principles, I think the better off that we're going to be. And some of the students that shared their heart about getting bullied for whatever reason, their skin color, just because they kind of make some weird noises, just being themselves, being goofy sometimes. You know, their different hobbies or interests that other people have just said, well, you know, that's dumb. But, you know, ultimately it hurt. They took it personal, but I said, look, not every opinion matters. What matters is what you believe, what your true best friends believe. And hopefully it's this, right? And once we really understand that, that we kind of get our power back too, that we can rise above that hate, show the people that are hurting, most likely that are bullying us, show them the love that they desperately need. But then we also can maybe start to heal their heart too in the process. So another beautiful afternoon here at Bobier. Can't wait to be back again. I got one more visit in May. Until then, though, have a great next few months. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video. Track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.